Here's the app called PUBLER Social Media Tools. So pretty cool app to schedule on social media. All-in-one social media toolkit, your social media home, manage all your socials in one app, content library, powerful analytics, calendar planning. So I personally was using this app for a long time. I got a lifetime deal from AppSumo, and this is really cool deal, really cool app. It didn't shut down, so it keeps progressing and developing. And here is you can then just see your account. You can then just add your account across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter. So then you can just add account. You can see all of YouTube, TikTok, Google My Business, Telegram, Blue Sky, Threads, Mastodon. So as you can see, 12 different social networks right now, and it's growing. And you just have it here. And then the first, you just have dashboard. You can see a number of your followers. You can see a number of your post engagement, post reach. It depends when you're connected. Some new account is just imports this analytics from that account. So for example, I just added my Pinterest account. So that's why the number of followers has grown that much. And then you can see your recent posts. You can see your upcoming posts in here. So for example, you can see here is the post. Like you can reuse it, you can add labels, you can edit it. The idea is that it's really good app for bulk scheduling. Like you can schedule this post, for example, from RSS feed or from some like Twitter feed or like from your blog feed, anything. So if you have some blog and you have a lot of posts there, you can feed this, just put this feed into this app, and then you can reschedule all these posts across like 5 different accounts, and you can do it in a smart way, so it's being reused and it looks quite natural. So this is a really nice app for that, and it's one of the cheapest option apps for that. Then you have like post something today. So to create a post, you just write it like that, whatever, and then you just select an account where you want to post it. Some account seems to be logged. I don't know, because I'm just using this app mostly for auto scheduling. And then you can add signature, follow-up comments. You can also add it, auto share, auto delete. You can delay it between accounts. So quite advanced tools here. And then of course you can just use AI tools in there. And then you can use some hashtags and keywords, trending topics. You can also use like labels. Then you can just take a look how the post will be displayed in the real feed, and then you can just tap to post it. That's kind of the idea. You have also like trending posts to explore, so you can see like top posts, all platforms. Like for example, you can see top posts on Twitter, and then you can see trending posts by likes, and so some trending content, some news which you can discover, some RSS feeds. So for example, I can just see here when I'm adding my RSS feed. Something like that. You have it here, and then you have your calendar, and then you have your media library which you can post. There is also some integration with Canva and with Vista, and then you have your analytics which you might see. So for example, just overview. You can see your followers. It's very kind of basic, but that's the idea. Then you can see post insights for some period. This is just an example. And then you can see hashtags, and then you can see your competitors. So you can also analyze your competitors in here. So quite powerful tool, to be honest. Like, you know, it's a lot of things in here, and then they also have free tools, a lot of text